What if I told you one media company's stock exploded 500% on its first trading day, triggering multiple market halts during its debut? Welcome to Liquid Finance, where we break down the numbers behind today's most explosive market moves. I'm diving deep into Newsmax's monumental IPO while stocks are rallying in this Trump-era market surge. Let's start with the jaw-dropping numbers. Newsmax completed its NYSE debut on March 28, 2025 at $40 per share. Within hours, the stock rocketed to $240, a 600% gain that triggered 3 separate circuit breaker halts. This makes it the most volatile media IPO since BuzzFeed's 2021 debut. 3 key drivers fueled this frenzy. First, political tailwinds. As the primary conservative alternative to Fox News, Newsmax stands to benefit from renewed White House access under the Trump administration. Second, record-breaking platform growth. Their streaming service now boasts 12 million monthly active users. Third, strategic positioning against competitors facing credibility crises. Now let's analyze the controversy. 7 Wall Street analysts have voiced concerns. This chart shows their conflicting projections. Bullish arguments cite $15 billion in political ad spending this election cycle. Bear cases warn about reliance on a single demographic and looming regulatory challenges to media mergers. Here's what industry veterans are saying. Former CNBC anchor Larry Kudlow called it the most political IPO in history on his podcast. Meanwhile, Bloomberg's media analyst warns the current valuation implies Newsmax needs to triple revenues by 2026, a tall order as traditional cable continues its decline. Looking ahead, investors face 3 possible scenarios. The bull case, Newsmax becomes the dominant conservative media platform, hitting $600 per share by election day. The baseline projection, stabilization around $180 after post-IPO volatility. The bear case, profit-taking drives prices back to $80 as activist investors pressure management. Before you consider trading this volatility, remember, Liquid Finance doesn't provide financial advice. Ask yourself, does this align with your risk tolerance? Could your portfolio handle 50% swings? Comment below, would you buy, sell, or hold Newsmax at current levels? For more unflinching market analysis, subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next deep dive.